All right, so today we are here with
Roger.
Roger. I was curious about your booth. Now, please tell me a little bit about your company and also what is the difference between what's the difference with those companies that are out there similar to yours?
That's a great question. So we started off in 2016 as Stilt, which was a predominantly immigrant-focused lending platform. In order to do lending in the US, you require a number of different state licenses. So we actually did that for Stilt, and we have done about $250 million in loans through that platform. And over the years, we've realized that it's actually really difficult to create a lending business for other fintechs out there, other neobanks, and anyone else trying to do credit. So because we have lending licenses, we are now enabling others to essentially utilize our infrastructure, our compliance, our licenses in order to launch their own lending products. Normally it takes about, let's say, close to a year, 9 months, 10 months in order to get a credit product up and running with a bank or getting your own licenses. We're able to greatly accelerate that down to about 10 weeks, getting your own product up and launched in the market, both for lines of credit and loans. So we've been having a lot of use cases like credit builder on debit, buy now, pay later, lines of credit, charge cards, and just getting folks with a credit product out in the market as quickly as possible.
Okay. Now, speaking of fintech, I know it all start with, beginning with PayPal. So, what is the difference between you guys and PayPal?
So we are solely focused on lending and enabling others to launch their own lending credit products. So we are platform agnostic. We can work with any network, any bank, any payment system, so long as they can bring whatever platform that they want. We want to make sure that our product is compliant, and we just provide the credit source of funds.